And again, we're trying to build confidence in this exercise. We're not trying to force him to back up the hill. We want him to be confident and comfortable backing up the hill so that we can do it at any time that we want. It's just like you learning to do squats, you know, or the bench press. You're not going to load the bench press up with double the weight that you can lift comfortably. No, not the first time. You're going to start off with a lighter weight. Now his hip is cocked off to the left. There, I'm going to get him straight. And his feet, you see this horse needs a lot of conditioning. He needs a lot of this training. When he gets stuck, I go to my feet. There, right there. Okay? When their feet get stuck, and they're going to, use your legs or your feet to free them up, right? And you should be able to feel that. I mean, you should be able to feel, okay, well, his right rib is really kind of leaning against my leg. Well, use your leg to push that rib up, you know, or his left rib is pushing against you. Well, use your left leg to push that up.